Dear students, let us learn the easy steps to draw the internal structure of the human heart and the associated blood vessels. Let us start from the apex of the heart. Draw the structure roughly triangular. There are two curves on the lateral side, one on the right and one on the left. Now two circles at the center to locate the two blood vessels. Double line indicates the wall thickness of the upper chambers. These are the cuspid valves, tricuspid valve and your bicuspid valves. One line from each circle. This is the wall thickness of the left ventricle. This is the wall thickness of the right ventricle. We have to show the pulmonary artery, and then bifurcation indicates there are two branches. This is the aorta. From the aorta arises the small blood vessels. Draw one circle at the opening to indicate one blood vessel from the superior part of the body. This is one branch of the pulmonary artery. Then draw the pulmonary veins, two from the right and two from the left. They are the openings of the left pulmonary veins. Then the cord-like structures from the AV valves to the wall of the ventricles. Then one blood vessel from the inferior part. This is the blood circulation, which consists of the blood flow in the chambers of the heart, deoxygenated blood that enters into the right auricle, right ventricle, then pulmonary artery, then both the branches of pulmonary artery, finally to the lungs. Oxygenated blood enters into the chambers of the heart through the pulmonary veins. Now enters into the left auricle, then to left ventricle, then through aorta, distributed to other body parts. This is the complete blood circulation in the chambers of the heart. Now let us label the parts. The major blood vessels, this is aorta. Label it as left pulmonary artery. This is left auricle, left pulmonary veins. These are 2 in numbers. Bicuspid valve. This is the left ventricle. The chordae tendineae, the cord-like structures. This is the superior vena cava. This is the right pulmonary artery. Label it as right pulmonary veins. This is the right auricle. Label it as right ventricle. This is the inferior vena cava. Then label this structure is tricuspid valve. This is the partition wall between the 2 ventricles. Label it as interventricular septum. Hope now you can draw the diagram of the internal structure of the heart easily. Thank you.